पब्लिक स्कूल मेहान नागपुर में मिमुन 5.0 का भव्य समापन समारोह हुआ आयोजित और इस समापन कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में मातृ कैफे के संस्थापक युवा उद्यमी श्री कान्हा जायसवाल ने उपस्थित रहकर कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। तो आइए देखते हैं विराट न्यूज लाइव की यह खास रिपोर्ट।
Hello everyone, my name is Chalmina Kavitro and I was chairperson of the Galactic Council. Now before I go over what the committee comprised of, I just want to go over and I would like to thank the entirety of the secretariat. I would like to specifically thank Nupur ma'am for calling me every year, Nidhi ma'am. I would specifically want to thank Rudra Joshi sir, Piyush sir asked me to do that. Thank you so much for being an amazing scribe for the Lok Sabha committee. I would also like to thank Dhwani ma'am, if you're here. You were an amazing vice chair for my committee as well. Thank you so much for being on board. And now moving towards the committee is a fictional committee, but we don't understand the gravity of the word fictional over here. This committee, from the grassroots details, the agenda, the portfolios, the load of the committee, all of it came from the chairpersons. So the portfolios से लेके the management of the committee towards where it had to go, from where it had been, all of it was made up by the lower of the executive board. We ourselves came up with everything and that is how it went down. Now before I get on to the awards, I would just like to say a couple of things. I made a promise to myself that whenever I am in front of a crowd addressing and talking about something, these are some things that I would always mention, which is a message of positivity, a message and movement against hate. We are the youth of a country, citizens not subjects. We live in a democracy. We must understand that we are citizens of a nation and have been granted fundamental rights. जो हमारा अधिकार है जिसके साथ हम जन्म लेते हैं. We need to understand that we are not subjects. हम किसी के गुलाम नहीं हैं. We have our own voice and we must raise it. Discrimination on the basis of gender is not okay. Discrimination on the basis of caste is not okay. Discrimination on the basis of religion is not okay. Discrimination on the basis of sexuality is not okay. Any form of discrimination which any sector of the society face is another social evil which we must encounter and assassinate, because the freedom which we attained in 1947 is not a trophy to keep, it's a consistent struggle which each and every one of us must uphold. Now, thank you so much for listening to me yap about my ideals. Not a lot of people do that these days. Going straight into the honorable mentions, I would request the honorable mentions to stand on their places so that we can applaud your amazing performance. The honorable mentions, again in no order, go to the non-aligned constellation. Please stand up on the place, sir. The Orion fragmented realms. The Polarian frontier and the Rascaran.
Okay, so high com in journalism goes to Sara. Any guesses for photography? The high com for photography goes to Anandi. It's time for the best girl in journalism. This girl has irritated me a lot, was asking a lot of questions. The best girl goes to Mahi Joshi. It's time for the most awaited award in the IT committee, the best girl of photography. Now this particular person has chaired many events and it was an honor to chair him. Please welcome Sir Shaurya Surtik as the best girl of IT.